Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad HAFIZY bin Muhammad Amin. Number card metric number or registration number is 0DPM 18F2036. So today I will present about the investment analysis project. So for the subject DPB 60323 investment management. So our lecture name is Puan RATNA HAFIZA binti REDZUAN. Okay, now I will introduce to you guys about the introduction for our company we choose. So the company we choose is a Tenaga Nasional. As we know that in Malaysia, in the peninsula of Malaysia, we use the Tenaga Nasional is about the electric supply for our house, factory or else, etc. So I will explain you guys the company profile. Tenaga Nasional Berhad operate an electrical utility in Malaysia. The company is engaged in the generation, transmission, distribution and sale of electric and the provision of other related service. Its division include generation, transmission and distribution. The generation division operate and maintain its portfolio of power generating asset consisting of thermal generation facilities and hydro generation scheme in Peninsula of Malaysia. In addition, it also support the operation and maintenance of over 4 independent power producer IPPs. It operate approximately 6 thermal power stations and over 3 hydroelectric power generating schemes. The transmission division link the power produced by the company and IPPs through Peninsula with the distribution network. Electricity is also transmitted direct to industrial customers through the national grid. The distribution division is engaged in the distributing electric to the end user. Okay, now I will explain about the board of director or board of member. The first board of director is Datuk Seri Mazhir bin Khalid, non-independent, non-executive chairman. Datuk Seri Mazhir bin Khalid was appointed as the chairman of TMB with the effect from 12 May 2020. He served as a Minister of Education from 2015 to 2018. He was also the Deputy Minister of Energy, Green Technology and Water from 2013 and to 2015 and Chairman of Muda Agricultural Development Authority (MADA) Kedah from 2016 to 2013. This is the board of the chairman for TNB. Okay, next is Gopala Krishnan anak lelaki Kusundaram, Independent Non-Executive Director. Gopala Krishnan K. Sundaram was appointed as Independent Non-Executive Director of TNB with effect from July 4, 2018. Gopala Krishnan, 16 years old, hold a Bachelor of Law Honors from University of Malaya and worked with law firm Abdullah Chan and Co. since 2012. He is currently a consultant of ASEAN Development Bank and leading advisor of the Financial Service Act 2013 and the Islamic Financial Service Act 2013. He has served as a director of Kuwait Finance House Malaysia Berhad and held various positions in Bank Negara Malaysia. Okay, the third is Ong Ai Lin, independent and non-executive director. She has intensive experience in finance and auditing and hold Bachelor of Arts honors in economics from the University of the United Kingdom. Ong is an associate of Institute of Chartered Accountant in England and Wales, certified in Information System Auditor, certified Business Continuity Professional, member of Malaysian Institute of Account (MIA), member of MIA Digital Economy Task Force and member of TSIRENG ISO Technical Commits of Information Security. She has served PwC Malaysia for 25 years old, where she held various positions include as a partner senior director from 1993 to June 2016, senior director July 2016 to December 2016 and senior management 1991 to 1992. This is the picture of Ong Ai Lin. Okay, the last board of director and board of the member is Noraini binti Chehdan, senior independent non-executive director. She has over 30 years of experience in audit and financial sector. Among other positions, she has held were Group General Manager of Financial and Chief Financial Officer and Pernas International Holding Berhad, as well as Head of Finance and Vice President of Finance at MIC Berhad. She is also member of the Malaysian Institute of Accountant and Malaysian Institute of Public Accountant. So this is a picture of Noraini binti Cehdan. So the next is a price chart. This is a price chart of the MB from January 2021. You can see that it's increased and not increased. Okay, this is for February, Tenaga Nasional price chart. Okay, next is for March 2021 Tenaga Nasional price chart. You can see they have a lot of green bar and then the red bar. Okay, this is for April 2021. Okay, this is last for May 2021. There are a lot red bar than the green bar. Okay, now next is I will present about the daily closing price Tenaga Nasional Berhad TENA. Okay, for last last kali saya pilih dari Tenaga Nasional Berhad TENA pada hari bulan, tak silap saya 27 hari bulan 5 hari tu saya pilih Tenaga Nasional punya closing price. So nampak kat sini dia menurun sikit, 9.96 sikit turun. So like negatif 0.10 negatif 0.10% turun. So volume dia dalam 9644,100. Bid dia 9.94, palang 9.96. Day range dia 9.91, 10.06. So sebelah dia kita boleh tengok lah yang ada bar graph tentang daily satu hari punya. Tapi saya ambil yang daripada Januari sebab yang saya nak cari untuk yang tarikh yang tu tak ada. Yang saya pilih 27 Mei tu. So saya ambil dari ni lah, 20 bulan Januari hari tu. So agak naik, agak turun, agak naik macam tu lah. Now saya akan explain untuk income statement, total revenue, cost of revenue, gross profit. So untuk last 2 tahun lepas punya ni lah, income statement Tenaga Nasional Berhad. So kita boleh tengok lah, total revenue dia pada 2020 43 juta 976,000, dan 2019 dia agak menaik sikit dia punya income dia 50 juta 939,700,000, agak-agak naik sikit lah. So cost revenue dia pun untuk tahun 2012 pun kalau anda boleh lihat, untuk tahun 2020 agak menurun juga, tapi 2009 agak menaik. Dan gross profit dia pun untuk tahun 2020 punya closing income statement pun agak menurun juga, tapi untuk 2019 agak menaik. So now is net income profit. So ni ada operating expenses total. So you guys, so saya pun ambil daripada past 2 years ago. So now this is a balance sheet, total asset. Ada current asset, you can see the strict cash current, for income tax, current asset, continuing operation current asset, ada current asset, total current asset. So this are the total asset lah. You can see anda boleh melihat semua tentang 2 tahun lepas punya cerita. Sekarang adalah untuk total current liabilities untuk Tenaga Nasional Berhad. Ada current liabilities total, so anda boleh lihat ada dividend payable, customer advance, security deposit, ada current liabilities, income tax payable, other payables and total current liabilities. Okay, sekarang kita akan tengok total debt and total liabilities. Total loan debt dia agak menarik juga, banyak nombor. So anda boleh lihat lah, semua kita orang, dia tenaga nasional punya total debt and total liabilities. So atas tu total long term debt ni adalah total debt, ada liabilities total adalah total liabilities lah. So lastly, this is shareholder for Tenaga Nasional Berhad. Okay, Tenaga Nasional Berhad ni dia ada 30 shareholder, iaitu yang pertama adalah Tenaga Khazanah Nasional Berhad, City Group Nominees, Tempatan Sdn Berhad, Employee Provident Fund Board. Ketiga adalah Amanah Raya, Trust Berhad, Sekumpulan Wang Persaudaraan, Pemodalan Nasional Berhad, Amanah Raya Trades Berhad, Amanah Raya Trusted Berhad, Kataban Nomis Tempatan Sdn Berhad, PAMB for Provident Guarantee Fund, Citizen Nominees, HAFIZY Nominees, Cabaran Nominees, Amanah Trusted, Maybank Nominees, Lembaga Tabung Haji, Amanah Raya Trusted Berhad, Amanah Raya Trusted Berhad. So Amanah Raya ni pun ada dalam 3 juga TMB ambil. So nombor 21 Amanah Raya Trusted Berhad, City Group Nominees, dan banyaklah korang boleh tengok. Kalau saya nak sebut-sebut banyak-banyak ni pun nanti pening. So korang boleh lihat, memang shareholder for Tenaga Nasional Berhad ni agak banyak. Dan shareholder yang paling increase adalah, paling nombor satu adalah Khazanah Nasional Berhad, iaitu 1.11445,609 224 shareholder dia. So dalam 25.52%.
Hey everyone, my name is Silikong Wenam. My matrix number is 01 TPM 18F 2021. So I will continue about the cash flow. So this is the cash flow of the Tenaga Nasional. So you can see that the diagram of cash flow, the chart. So you can see, so the 4.0 ownerships, the top 10 investor as of latest filing is, the first one is Khazanah Nasional Berhad. You can see the info for the Khazanah Nasional Berhad. For the first one is second one, and Employees Provident Fund Board, and the third is Pemodalan Nasional Berhad PNB, Kumpulan Wang Persaudaraan, the Vanguard Group, Public Venture Berhad, Great Eastern Life Assurance Malaysia Berhad, Spring Investment Berhad, Vanguard Emerging Market Stock Index Fund, AIA Berhad. So you can see the diagram, see the chart. So 5.0 recommendation and conclusion. So fundamentals and technical investigation is a technique which enhance decision making for stock investor. The fundamental analysis includes looking at any information other than the trading patterns of the stock itself, which can affect the cost and the previous value of a stock. Technical analysis is an enhancing apparatus utilized to assess securities and elevator to forecast their future development by breaking down insight accumulated from exchanging actions such as price movement and volume. This system utilizes data mining technique to analyze various stock information and the factors to create a logical decision model. This helps new and inexperienced investors to make less errors, as well as make the stock market more approachable to the general community. This research focuses on a high-performance stock selection using the fundamental analysis of individual stocks, which is reflected in the financial statement. 10 calculate from stock financial statement reports are proposed for the analysis. So, tenaga nasional buy or sell. So, Bursa Malaysia United Index has bounced from daily support level, which means a good sentiment for index component. Tenaga price already break the monthly support, but hovering in between monthly and weekly support, currently at the lowest price. Supporting from increasing utilized index, RSI 3 is close to oversold position and stochastics crossing will give a good buy call for the Tenaga. So the conclusion is dividends investors should always want to know if a company's dividends are affordable. B. If there is a track record of consistent payments, and C. If the dividends is capable of growing. Tenaga Nasional Berhad payouts regions are within a normal range or for the average corporation, and we like that its cash flow was stronger than reports profits. Earnings per share have been falling, and the company has cut its dividends at least once in the past. From a dividends perspective, this is a cause for concern. While we not hugely bearish on it, overall we think there are potentially better dividend stock than Tenaga Nasional Berhad out there. Market movements at this attest to how highly values a consistent dividend policy is compared to one which is more unpredictable. Still, investors need to consider a host of other factors apart from dividends payments when analyzing a company. Case in point, we spot two warning signs for Tenaga Nasional Berhad, so you should know about it. If you decide to trade Tenaga Nasional Berhad, use the lowest cost platform that is rate. Number 1, overall by Brilliant Interactive Brokers. Trade stock, option, futures, forex, bond and funds on 135 markets, all from a single integrated account. So thank you.